North Shore to do some location scouting with my friend Frank from Island Events, and I just love this drive, and I always have to drive, so I'm not driving today, I'm passenger today, so I'm so excited. Yeah, we're the tour bus, so we're just going to slow down. Japanese tour bus. It's not on Facebook. Oh wait, maybe this one I will put on Facebook. This is the gorgeous view that you get when you drive up to the North Shore, and we love coming up here because it really makes us feel like we're outer island. It gets us out of the city. Woo! So that's why we all are about keeping the country here, because we don't want to lose that flair that we have that makes our island so special.